The UH-60M Black Hawk helicopter is a four-bladed, twin-engine, medium-lift utility helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. It is used by the United States Army, National Guard, and other countries around the world for a variety of missions including transport, reconnaissance, and medical evacuation. The UH-60M is an upgraded version of the UH-60L Black Hawk and was first introduced in 2007. The main difference between the UH-60L and UH-60M is the incorporation of new technology and equipment, such as a digital cockpit, improved engines, and advanced flight controls. One of the most significant changes in the UH-60M is the addition of the Common Aviation Architecture Cockpit, CAAC. This digital cockpit allows for better communication and situational awareness for the crew and improves the aircraft's overall flight performance. The UH-60M also features improved engines, which provide more power and better fuel efficiency. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced flight controls, including a digital automatic flight control system and a digital fly-by-wire system. These upgrades make the UH-60M more maneuverable and easier to fly than its predecessor. Another important upgrade in the UH-60M is the incorporation of the Health and Usage Monitoring System, HUMS, which is a diagnostic tool that helps to monitor the aircraft's systems and detect potential problems before they occur. In terms of exterior design, the UH-60M has a few subtle differences from the UH-60L. The UH-60M has a slightly longer nose, which accommodates the new digital cockpit, and the tail rotor has been redesigned for better performance and efficiency. Overall, the UH-60M Black Hawk is a significant improvement over the UH-60L, incorporating new technology and equipment to enhance the aircraft's performance and capabilities.